Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and please do like, comment and subscribe to it for more lovely makeup tutorials. Today's look is all about the beautiful glam for anniversaries or birthdays or any kind of parties, any special occasions which you're going to have. You can try this look and you're gonna rock it, I'm sure. If you like it, keep on watching. In this video, I'll be using all the products from Maccosmetics. So first I used the MAC foundation in NC15. I really love this foundation. And then I applied my MAC concealer in NC20. It's a prolong concealer. So I'm just applying it with my Tarte stripling brush, evenly spreading all over my skin. I usually like to apply my foundation with a brush, a stripling brush, or a kabuki. Dense kabuki works very well on my skin. I think it's very easy to apply that way. Or you can use a beauty blender, it's up to you, it's your wish really, whatever you're used to. Now we will set our foundation with our favorite Laura Mercier translucent powder. It gives that very smooth touch on the skin and sets everything evenly. I really like how it applies. Now I took the contour kit from Anastasia. I am in shade light to medium. So I'm gonna grab the middle shade and apply that for my contour on a very fluffy brush from Morphe. So I'm slightly contouring as I usually do with powders. I do not like heavy contours. I just like, you know, very nice smooth contours for my skin, for myself. Then I'm gonna apply my MAC blush in the shade Style. I really love this gorgeous peachy shimmery shade. It has really tiny particles in it, gold specks, you can say. It lights very nicely. I love it how it looks. And now I'm drinking the water because you need to hydrate, baby. Always remember, hydrate yourself. Then we're going to use our favorite MAC Painterly Pot Prolong Wear. It really helps to keep the makeup stay for a longer period of time on the eyes, and no creasing, no oily lids. I really like this one, and I'm applying on Sigma shader brush E55. It's a very large brush, so it applies very nicely. Then I took the Anastasia Shadow Couture palette. I really love the shades in this palette. I used the Morocco and Fudge shade. They are really nice burgundy brown, burnt orange kind of shade, and Fudge is a little bit darker. It's a dark chocolatey kind of shade. So I'm just blending it on my outer corners, and then I'm gonna apply it in my inner corner because we're going for a hollow look. I'm just blending it evenly on both of my sides because we don't want any harsh lines. So blend, and I am using my MAC brush, which is 217, yeah. So we're gonna blend both of the sides equally for that hollow effect with both of the brown shades which I told. Now I'm gonna grab Poppy shade. This is from Makeup Geek. This is a very nice matte shade and I love the color. It's really it gives you that pinkish tone, very light orangey tone or pinkish tone, you can say. And now I'm applying both of the sides evenly, so blending it very carefully and very nicely so that it gives that smoky effect. Now I took the Makeup Geek shade in Cocoa Bear, and I love the brown burnt shade it gives. I'm gonna apply it on both of my shadows, the inner and the outer corners, so that it's even. Make sure you blend enough and there are no harsh lines, and I'm applying all these eyeshadows with my MAC 217. Now I grabbed the MAC shimmery shade in Major Win, and I really love this sparkly shadow, so it will pop our eyes. I'll apply it in the middle with the small dense Morphe brush, just applying it in the middle of my eyes so that it gives us that hollow, gorgeous effect. I really love the sparkle in it. It really pops up the eyes and open up your eyes. Then we're gonna take the Rimmel eye pencil in the shade Nude, and we're gonna apply it in our lower lash so that our eyes are wider and open and they don't look smaller, because black liner makes your eyes look smaller, you know. So that's why I'm gonna apply the Nude one. It will open my eyes. So this is MAC gel eyeliner in black track. I'm gonna apply it on a very thin angled brush from Morphe. We're just gonna line it, and we're not making a wing, just a line, a simple black line to give that extra, you know, look. This is the lash in Scarlett from Huda Beauty. I'm gonna apply it, and these will look awesome on our eyes. Yeah, this one is MAC highlighter in, this is the extra dimension show gold, and it's so fantastic when you apply it on your cheeks. It looks so beautiful. I always pose when I apply highlighters because this was filmed on Instagram, so that's why I'm posing more. So yeah, don't mind it. Now I'm applying with the MAC lipsticks in Twig and Kinda Sexy. I'll mix them and I'm just applying them. I love the color it gives. The combination is amazing. It gives you that pink nude, lovely, sexy shade. So this is my favorite. So I'm applying the MAC Fix Plus, all-time favorite, all-time oldie, yes, to give that, you know, very fresh, glowy skin. So if you enjoyed my tutorial, please like, comment, and subscribe to it. I hope you enjoyed, and let me know what are your thoughts in the comments section. And if you have any kind of request, do let me know. Thank you so much.